What is marriage? Marriage is a special contract of permanent union between a man and a woman entered into in accordance with law for the establishment of conjugal and family life. It is the foundation of the family and an inviolable social institution, whose nature, consequences, and incidents are governed by law and not subject to stipulation. So, sa mga nagtatanong, attorney, pwede ba yan matagal na kaming hiwalay nung asawa ko? Okay lang ba yon na magsulatan na lang kami sa barangay? Meron kaming kasunduan. Okay na po ba yon? Tatanggapin po ba yon? Considered as annulled na po ba kami nun or wala na kami, legally wala na yung marriage namin? Hindi po, kasi sabi nga po dito sa batas, Article 1 of the Family Code, Executive Order number 209, it is the foundation of the family and an inviolable social institution whose nature, consequences, and incidents are governed by law and not subject to stipulation. So you cannot stipulate on the terms of your marriage. Okay? Kasi, ang nag-govern dyan ay ang batas. Okay? Pinoprotektahan niya ng batas. So, kunyari, matagal na kayong hiwalay, kailangan, kung meron grounds para i-annul yung marriage nyo, kailangan mag-undergo ng nullity of marriage or annulment of marriage. Kailangan yung i-file po yun sa korte para i-request sa korte na i-annul yung kasal nyo. Okay? Okay. May exception, except that marriage settlements may fix the property relations during the marriage within the limits provided by this code. So, bago ikasal, pwedeng magkaroon ng marriage settlement. Ito yung tinatawag natin ng mga prenuptial agreement. So, dun sa prenuptial agreement, ang karaniwang mga pinag-aagrihan dyan, yung property relations ng husband and wife. Sa batas po kasi, because of the passage of the family code, ang nag-govern na property relations ng husband and wife, kung hindi nila pag-aagrihan yung property relations sila, ay absolute community of property. Sa absolute community of property, kung ano yung property ng spouse mo, ay kalahati nun ay magiging property mo na rin. Okay? So, magiging 50-50 yung hatian nyo dyan. Okay. So, sa mga nagtatanong, bakit babae at lalaki lang ang pwedeng ikasal sa Pilipinas? Kasi nakasaad din sa batas na it is a special contract of permanent union between a man and a woman. So, kapag yung sa mga transgender, yung mga nagpa-sex reassignment, hindi pa rin ina-allow sa Pilipinas yung mga same-sex marriage. Kahit pa nag-undergo na ng sex reassignment yung isang couple or yung isang tao dun sa relasyon. Okay? So, ayun. Yan po ang definition ng marriage under Article 1 ng Family Code.